It's a meringue that is no good at all. I mean, it's sticky and it's not nice. I don't like this dessert.
Yeah, I hate to say it because the granita's just melted straight away. So the recipe's wrong. If the granita doesn't hold, it's wrong. And so you've got this milky, murky mess on the bottom that doesn't taste very nice at all.
8 minutes to go, guys, yes? Get your head into plating up. Get your head into finishing.
Come on, guys! Come on!
Jeez, it smells good.
It does. Is the strategy playing out well?
Yep. Yeah, the strategy has definitely planned out well. It is what I wanted it to be under the last box.
Cool. And I like you under this pressure. It's good. You're going.
Yes.
You're moving, which is good.
See this piece of fish here?
Yes.
It all hinges on this. So get it right.
Okay.
Come on, Diane.
All right, no worries.
Let's go!
Smells good, though.
Oh, it smells amazing.
Definitely taste the basil.
Come on, Eloise. Keep it up. Come on, Eloise. Start thinking about plating up, Eloise.
Yep. I'm really feeling like everything's coming together now. The ice cream's looking really good. The caramel's tasting really good. I have a lot of faith in those tarragon biscuits. Now I just need to think about how I'm going to construct this ice cream sandwich.
5 minutes to go, come on. Oh my God, could I make any more mess if I tried?
I'm plating up and my hands are shaking. I am in such a state. There is so much riding on this. I do 100% believe that it's a tasty dish, and I think that I've got the flavours right. I think that the ice cream's good. I think the biscuits are good. I'm just praying with everything that the judges agree.
It's got to look spectacular, taste delicious. 3 minutes to go, come on.
Come on.
Come on, let's go! Go, 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 go! Come on, Cal! Come on, Daisy! Come on, Daisy!
Everything's ready to go, and I'm pretty happy with all the elements. It's all looking really good, especially the coriander ice cream. I'm happy with the way it looks, and the texture's smooth, creamy, and full of coriander flavour, and I think that's a little bit of a relief.
Taste everything, Cal.
Yep. I've tasted everything individually, but now it's time to see whether it all goes. I took a really big risk today with unusual and creative flavours. It's the moment of truth.
Get on the plate, Callan. Come on.
I don't know if they go together. I'm feeling a little bit stressed at this point. The flavours could be a little bit off. So I'm really going to put a lot of thought into the plating today. That could be the one thing that might save me.
Today, I had less than half an hour to make this dish. I was like Speedy Gonzales in the kitchen. But it's not over yet. The sauce is complex, full of flavour, but the fish has to be cooked perfectly. I'm just having everything crossed at the moment, hoping and praying that it's exactly how it should be cooked.
Make it work. 2 minutes to go.
Come on, guys. Come on, keep going. Come on, Sam. Come on, you can do this. Come on. Get stuff on the plate.
Both my granitas have been in the blast chiller for about 9 minutes. I've got to start plating up. On the base of this dish, I want to put the pickled and fresh strawberries. Surround that with a little bit of the strawberry sauce, top it with the meringue shards, and then the 2 granitas will go on top. And I've just got my fingers crossed that these are set, otherwise they'll just turn to liquid on the plate and it could ruin the whole dish.
Come on, Callan.
For plating, I put some of the macerated strawberries on the bottom, top it with some of the crispy curry leaves, the quenelle of ice cream, some of the coriander leaves, and then the brick pastry. I'm happy with the way the dish looks. I really put a lot of thought into the plating today, but the flavours just don't seem to be working together. Could definitely cost me my place in the competition.
10 seconds to go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Step away from your benches. Time's up.
Good work, guys.
Walking my dish up to the judges, I'm still concerned about the combination of flavours. But I'm happy with the way it looks. It's a tense moment knowing that this dish could keep me in the competition or send me home.
Callan, what have you cooked?
So I've done a coriander ice cream with crispy curry leaves, a spice brick pastry and a fragrant sauce.
Have you done enough here?
Hope so.
Off you go.
Thank you.
Look, pretty's one thing. It's a pretty little dish, but I think this dish is problems.
Callan gets points for presentation. He's got a gift.
I mean, his idea was about taking different herbs.
Which was a great idea.
Great idea.
Yeah.
When you've got lots of experience.
Yeah.
Connecting all those different herbs into a dessert is hard. He's hard to do, so he's very ambitious, which, you know, I credit him for that.
When you want to play in the edge, you know, you're going to make missteps. You're going to step outside the envelope of what we would regard as good taste. Sadly, the ingredients don't go together.
When your back's against the wall and you're facing the possibility of going home, you should have a moment of common sense where you just rein it in and do something that you know that works.
He's in trouble. Let's get the next dish in.
What's the dish?
Strawberries with watermelon and basil.
Who's going home, one of your friends or you today?
Oh, I'm scared that it's me. Yeah, whatever the result, it's going to be tough. Something clicked when we all, like, made top 10 and it was like, this is the group, and it's kind of become like a family, and Callan's like my little brother in the house. Eloise is like my big sister. Being up against those two this morning was just not a good feeling, and came into the kitchen and I'm not happy with how that cook panned out. I was probably lucky to get up what I have, and I'm still scared it's me going home. I'm just hoping flavours will be enough.
Sam, we'll taste, thank you.
Thanks.
Presentation?
Everything's melted on it because the granitas and ice creams that he tried to make didn't work. It doesn't look good, does it?
At least the flavours of the elements go together. Watermelon, strawberry, basil as well.
It's a meringue that is no good at all. I mean, it's sticky and it's not nice. I don't like this dessert.
Yeah, I hate to say it because the granitas just melted straight away. So the recipe's wrong. If the granita doesn't hold, it's wrong. And so you've got this milky, murky mess on the bottom that doesn't taste very nice at all.
Right, let's get the final dish in. What have you cooked?
It's an ice cream sandwich with basil, blackberries and beetroot.
Pleased?
Yes and no. I'm not pleased with the way that it looks. It doesn't look MasterChef top 10. While it isn't the nicest looking dish, I believe that what I've put in front of you is tasty and is going to be satisfying.
You know you can do it. You make tasty food, and that's what we want. Fingers crossed that this is tasty enough to keep you in the competition. Eloise, we'll taste now, thank you.
Thanks.
What do you think, boys?
I'm pretty sure those biscuits are nice. I'm pretty sure the ice cream is nice. In theory, they're all flavours that work. You know, basil, blackberries, beetroot, shortbread, it all makes sense. So that gives us some hope. Well, there you go. All the flavours, all the textures, all the techniques, absolutely bang on. And I especially love the beetroot caramel, absolutely yum.
I think Eloise has done herself proud.
All flavours go well on the plate, and you know what's really lovely? The basil ice cream's a really good ice cream. Two of you stood out. If I call your name, you're safe. Diana. Diana, you put so much emotion into that plate. It was meaningful, full of family, but most of all, delicious. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
The other person's safe. Eloise. Eloise, can I tell you? It was delicious.
Sam, Callan, you've both given us some absolutely delicious desserts through this competition. But sadly, in this challenge, you both struggled, and it showed on both your plates. Sam, you picked flavours that work together, but your techniques let you down, and those flavours got muddied. Callan, while some things didn't work, we liked the plating, and your techniques were really on the money, and that's why, Sam, I'm sorry, but you're going home.